A question that gets asked a lot is, do dividends come out of the stock price? And the very short answer to that question is no, they don't come out of the stock price. They're two different things, but it is a little more nuanced than that. I'll start by explaining that, first of all, the stock price is not set by the company. The stock price is set by people trading the stock, right? And so the company can't go and say, we want to make our stock price this, although I'm sure they would love to do that. They can't. The company doesn't have control over its share price, but the company does have control over its dividend payments. The dividend payments, as I mentioned earlier, should be coming out of earnings. And so when the company usually announces earnings, it will also announce dividend payments at the same time. And so the dividend payments are entirely within the control of the company, whereas the stock price is not within control. There is also, unfortunately, no magical arbitrage that you can find with ex-dividend dates. It might seem like a cool idea to go and buy the stock just before the ex-dividend date, get the payment and then sell, but that doesn't really work. The stock prices do, adjust slightly to factor in for those dividend payments, and there's no way you can do that arbitrage, so I'll save you lots of time in trying.